What up, guys? BigBoxBreaks.eCarry.com. Break number 289 is filled, screened, and ready to rock. Thanks a lot, guys. So if you do not get a spot or hit in any of your spots, you'll be entered into a free spot random at the end. So let's go ahead and do it. Start with the teams 3 times as always. Panthers on the bottom, Jackets on top. There are the teams. And now people in the break. 3 times. Copy. Paste. And like all my breaks, I do put this in the description below. So Columbus goes to Loopy. Washington goes to Big Dog. Rangers is Moo 41. Kings is Dave. Lightning is Hab Guy. Islanders is Dave. Phoenix is Justin Slind. Vancouver is Tampoon 9817. Bruins is Jamie 9699. Sabres is Leafs Cards. Chicago is Loopy 406. Ottawa is Dave, as well as the Oilers. Nashville goes to Paco Skins. Colorado is Chanob 7. Wings is Prontongruski. Vegas is Tristan Will. Blues is Solmaripache. Soulman Patch. Devils is Leafs Cards. Toronto is Be Humble 50. Flyers is Dave. Montreal is Tampan 1981. Hurricanes is, as well as the Flames, is Be Humble. Jets is Loopy 406. Stars is Dave. Wild is Pronto. Sharks is Missing Link. Ducks is Ravgun 14. Pittsburgh is Be Humble 50. And Panthers is Den's Cards. So, off to the spot to bust the ball. Let's get going. Okay. Empty. First hit for the San Jose Sharks, Brent Burns. Brent Burns base card. Next hit for your Colorado Avalanche, Mikko Ranta. Base card. Rookie card. Matt Roy at a $3.99 rookie base card. LA Kings. Next up, for your Carolina Hurricanes, green, Teuvo Teravainen. Out of 149, I think. Yep. Next up, red. Out of 75, Matt Murray. I have enough of these. Pittsburgh Penguins. Let's see, the auto was next. Okay, 2 autos. Nice. So at the bottom, Knights, Marc-Andre Fleury. Esteemed. What do we got? Yeah, let's go with this one. Matt Roy card, auto. These are out of 35. Nice. And last card for your Toronto Maple Leafs, Dougie Gilmour auto. What's this one out of? Not numbered. Not numbered. Dougie Gilmour. Nice hit. Okay, so let's go to the spot, do the randoms for the free spot in my next recap here. Sharks hit. Colorado base. Pretty much a base. Pittsburgh, 75. Teravainen, green, out of 149. Matt Roy, rookie, out of 399. As well as his auto. Auto's out of 35. And Dougie Gilmour. Congratulations, guys. So, these are the people that did not get any hits in the break. A lot more this time. 3 times. Person on top. Tampan. That's you. So, thanks a lot, guys. I'm not sure where I'm going to break next. See if I can get another couple statures this week. But, yeah, so thanks a lot, guys. I'll get these cards out ASAP and check out bigboxbreaks.ecreator.com.